you know, I was going to record it and I thought, you know, sometimes you just need a little bit of, it's time for me, right? I put the radio on, took these things all the way apart, ran it through another cycle of the ultrasonic, and you guys ready for this? Check this out. Come on, girl. Let's go. Rear brake too. Jeez Louise. We can't have no brakes. Boy, this is a workout. It's snowing. Jeez. Old fat guy. Okay, see if she'll start outside. Yes! Oh, the wind's gonna be a problem today, huh? Okay, take two. Well, maybe the wind won't knock us over this time. Start again. Yes, it will. Yes, it will. Okay, rear brake. No, come on. That should be enough. Let's see if we can get her in gear. Woo! Suzuki's the best gear indicator. Where'd she go? Oh, look at that. Ah. I don't have a lot of steering. That wasn't very smart. Yes. Trying our hardest to wreck the phone today. All right, we got the camera on a different stand now. Put just a dash of fuel in. Got a little bit in my funnel. All right. And we gotta try to back this up. Okay, who is excited? Besides me, anyone? Just a minute. You ran out of fuel. My funnel sucks her dry. There we go. All right. Try not to spill my overflow. Yeah. What do you think of that brake situation? All right, guys, ready? Woohoo! Yes. I'm gonna back up again. We gotta go for more of a drive than that. We got a chilly day, that's for sure. A little forward. Come on, guy. This is fun. All right, can we get past the cars now? All right, I'm glad you guys like watching me struggle. Let's take it for a ride. Well, it's not a lot of fun without that rear brake is cramping our style here. We can't even do any coasting. There we go. All right, well, I think I'll pull over there by you guys. Oh, I'm backing up again. All right, see if we can keep her idling. Top her off, we're gonna take it up the driveway. This is such a fun thing. Told you wouldn't beat me, you GS750 girl. I know you'd rather have an air filter, but drink. All right. That might have been a little much. Top of the hill we go. See if we can get the second gear. Yes, second gear. That's all we're gonna get though. All right, let's get her back in the garage. We'll tell you guys what happened here. Here we go, coming down the hill. Are you kidding me, phone? All right, not knowing when we lost it. Oh, we got a flat tire. That might be part of my backing up problem. One more time up the hill. Oh, full first. Come on, girl, we got to get second. Yeah! Yeah! All right. Push that side. You better still be on your tripod phone. Otherwise, we're going to have to get a coat. Here we come. Down the hill. In second. And that's it. Ooh, that might not have been smart. Actually used brake. Here we go. We're stopping for the glamour shot. Whee! That's it, guys. I'll see you inside. A little assistance from the old girl. Come on, you can go up that little ramp. There you go. Take that, huh? Woo! We've done it! Let's shut the door. Jeez. Well, let's show you what we did today. We got some new spark plugs. Put those in. That was the last thing we did. As you can see, the mess. There's all the old bits. I don't think, you know, these look, geez, look at how cold hands are. Those look pretty junky. This, I think, was our culprit. Why we couldn't get her to start. See if we can show that? I'm not sure. There you go. 37.5. And what came with my cool kit, we didn't use all the things, but I think the main thing was in this kit, it came with the main jet was a 112.5, just like what I had. But the pilot jet was a 37.5 in here. And it came with a 42.5 in the new kit. So I think, you know, we put it all back together. I think that's what resolved our hard start issue, was this drowning for fuel. I also think the fuel mixture screws, these guys, if I get, where's my pick at? You guys see this one? So that O-ring was shot. This one was completely deformed, and they were the only ones that had O-rings in with these guys, and only, I think they all had washers. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they all had a washer. But we replaced all of this with the new stuff. So I had a comment to put the airbox on, and I tried. That thing is such a bugger. I tried all combinations. I tried putting all those things together. I even took the boots off of the engine and had it, you know, the boots to carb to airbox, try to ram the whole thing in there. No way. It's not enough clearance. Tried putting the airbox in and then trying to sneak in the carb with the boots on. No way. I have no idea how I got this carburetor out. I'm going to go watch the footage and see how he did this. I know that when I finally got the carburetor out, I just ripped that airbox out. I'm like, get me out of the airbox. It's going to be a bugger. Hope you guys like this spur of the moment New Year's Day video. I came out of this morning with high hopes, and I wasn't disappointed. I mean, we still got work to do, obviously, to get this thing moving. But hey, we know it runs now, right? This is pretty awesome. Well, we knew it ran. We just we couldn't get it to start. Now it starts without choke. Couldn't be more happy. Anyway, guys, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. If you really like what you see, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. It's Mike with Ace Cafe Bikes. We gone. Come over here. We'll see you guys.